Hey everyone, this is me Teja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I made a one-on-one video like this and I really missed it, to be honest. So yeah, finally I'm back home and I can film a video peacefully. Today's video is something really interesting, so watch till the end and let me know in the comment section how do you feel about this video, and let me know what kind of video you want from me in future. Comment it down in comment section and I will surely consider it. So let's get into the video. So today I'm gonna talk about something every college student go through, and if you're freshers, you will have a clear idea what is going coming ahead, and if you are already in college, you will definitely relate with me. So we all have some sort of expectations from our college. Like when you get into the college, you will say like, I will have my best time in college. I will have a huge circle of friends and I will hang out with them every day, participate in so many clubs and activities, and then I can rely on any single person I see. Is that what you think about your college gonna be? Well, let me give you a reality check. So when I joined my college in the first year, I also thought like this. I won't lie. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about first year me versus the third year me right now is sitting here. Share my experience with you guys, and we'll let you know what kind of things you should focus and you should live, and what kind of things you should be grateful for in this video. So watch till the end and let me know. So first we are going to talk about academics and classes. So when I was in first year, I thought like joining class is important, and attendance is important. Every teachers would keep on telling us like 75% of attendance is mandatory. It felt so overwhelming in the beginning, and it was entirely different from school and stuff, and the subjects and all the topics were new, and it was really hard to adjust in the beginning. I myself sabotaged me a lot of time because I pushed myself too hard for everything, and it was really exhausting in the beginning, and I felt like, oh shit, I shouldn't have joined a college or something. Like college is not meant for me. It was really hard the first year, but if you ask me now, I could have changed a lot of things. I could have just joined at all the class on time, and like not pressurizing it too much, not making me feel like academic is everything, to be a bit easy on the subjects. First year, for internal exam itself, I used to do the previous year papers, which was not at all needed. And when I joined it like 2023, the whole scheme changed, and the previous year paper was not at all in a use for me. The previous year paper for internal exams, for some exam it was needed, but for internal it was not at all needed. But I used to do that and stuff, and make me like, it was all, made me feel like it's a big thing, like internal exam is something like wow kind of thing. But it was nothing like that. You can just go through the notes that you have noted from the classes and the questions ma'am used to do. That's more than enough for internal exams and stuff. I have changed a lot from the study session like that to now I do like have a basic knowledge about all the topics. I ask my teacher more doubts about the topics that I'm not sure about. Like that's how may I made my studies more easier. Now it's more comfortable for me. So I wish I knew this before. But yeah, second one is, this is a bit really hard for me to talk about, because this one I really didn't thought this will change like massively. It will change, but yeah, it changed. It is what it is. So now I'm talking about friendships and social life. Friendship and social life made a drastic change in my life, to be honest, because when I was in first year, I thought like, I will have a huge group. I will have ton number of friends, and I will hang out with them every day. I can rely on them, because as an army brand, I used to post it to new places every now and then. So because of which I don't have any strong connection with friendships, because I used to, like, after 2 years you have to switch the place and the friendship is also gone kind of stuff. Like I have hi hello kind of friendships, but not something I'm bonded to. So college was the one place I will stay for 4 years, and I will have a strong connection. I thought I will have a strong connection with the people, and like it will be really helpful. So in the first year itself I started making friends, and I thought like they will stay with me for lifetime, because college are meant to be like that. Because after that you will chase the career, and after that life settlement. So the last kind of friendship you have is from college. So I thought of like that. So in first year I had really bad experience from a lot of friendships, and lot of betrayal from friendship itself. So I never thought that was coming, but it is what it is. So now if you ask me, my friend circle is really small. I have like a few friends, which are like handful of friends I have, and they know a lot of things about me. And still I have my school friends. I'm so grateful for them. Touchwood, I'm really grateful for them. So yeah, I only share my problems or my happiness with only few friends from college, and two of my schoolmates. So yeah, that is life is. So there's a funny story, okay? So when I was in first year, there's like 30 plus people. We went to have a tea at night time, okay? And it was really fun at that time, because we were like having fun talking, like talking about a lot of stuff, newly friends with them. So everyone was having their own stories to tell. There was a lot of topic to talk about. And I thought like, oh my god, I have so many friends after years. Like I will have stable friends in my life, because I never had that in my past. So I thought of like having that kind of stuff and all that thing. But after that day we used to meet each other few quite time. But after first year, second year came, and after when second year hits really hard, because in second year you genuinely, like, you just loses people a lot. Like a lot of people just vanish in your life, as they disappear as if they never existed. Like I'm minding my own business and they're minding their own business. And like, yeah, for friends I have hi hello kind of friends in my life. So yeah, that's a really sad part of college life, because I never thought that was coming. But be prepared for this. Be prepared for this kind of betrayal and everything. So I would say, don't overshare anything with anyone. Be in your limits, set boundaries with everyone. From the first year itself, if you be like that, it will be less painful for you in the coming years. So yeah. So third one is time management and priorities. This is a really important thing in your college life. You're like, you should focus on these things, because generally in first year all of the people like used to join in every club, every event, every single thing they can do. Like they just give their name and joined in like that. That makes them more exhausted. And like for me it was also really exhausting, and like it was too much to handle, and my academic was going bad. My social battery was also going down. So later on I realized that joining in every club or every activity is not a good thing, because that's really bad for your mental health, at the same time your physical health too. Because you have to run around all the stuff, you have to handle a lot of thing. And it's college event, so it's kind of more huge level of stuff. So it's too much for you to handle. It might get too overwhelming for you guys. So for now I do like prioritize everything. That's what is important to me. So yeah, I am there in clubs and events, like only in a limited level of thing, which I can handle, which my mind can also handle, which will not make me exhausted, or which will not make me hate the stuff I love. So prioritize yourself, prioritize the friendship you have. I would say build true connections from others, not just for any event, or not just for any grade, or not just for any role in your event, not just to become something in some club or like that. Don't make friendship like that. So yeah, make genuine connections with others, invest time on yourself, build yourself more stronger, build few skills that you will be proud of in future. So yeah, time management and prioritizing stuff is really important in college. So first year itself, try to focus on this kind of stuffs so you won't regret in future. So yeah, that's it for this video, and if you found this video really helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends. And if you want more college related contents or any life update contents, let me know in the comment section which year you are studying right now and what's the biggest change you have seen in yourself. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Love you all. Bye.